After finding this fish for a long time in Hyderabad, finally I got this fish yesterday. So thought to share a recipe with this fish as this fish provides essential minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, zinc, iron, vitamin A, D and B, thus helping to reduce the risks of both malnutrition and non-communicable disease which may occur when high energy intake is combined with a lack of balanced nutrition and especially for the kids' eyes. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story. Let's begin today's recipe with this very vital and essential fish. And the ingredients are 4 to 5 green chili slitted, with that turmeric powder, salt, little sugar, tamarind paste, red chili powder, and our lovely Mourala fish, or you can say baby fish. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, wash the fish thoroughly for 2 to 3 times under running water. Then into this add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder and few green chili slitted, though you can adjust the hotness according to your taste bud. Now mix everything well with your hand and then keep it for 5 to 10 minutes before cooking it down. After that, slowly drop the marinated fish with the marination into the hot oil. Over here I have using mustard oil 2 tablespoons. After adding the marinated fish, slowly then even the fishes from all the sides so that it cook properly. No need to stir or else the fish will break. After 2 to 3 minutes, then add 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste which I have already soaked it during the beginning of the recipe. Next add half teaspoon of sugar to balance the entire taste. Then add half cup of water and reduce the flame to low, then cook for 5 to 6 minutes in a very low flame so the oil start to release at the top. And once you see oil has started to separate from the fishes, that means our recipe is ready to serve. Switch off the flame and serve in a serving bowl. And to complement the flavors of this delicious fish, here are some traditional accompaniments you can serve along with. They are steamed rice, roti or paratha. The most common and traditional choice is to serve this with steamed rice. The rice helps to balance the spiciness of the curry and allows you to savor the flavors of the dish. So overall, this Mourala fish is a spicy and flavorful fish curry with a combination of heat and savory undertones. It is a delightful and satisfying dish for those who enjoy bold flavors. So if you think today's recipe is worth it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again. Bye-bye.